So good morning students. In previous video we discussed about the formulas we use in chapter 3, and now we come our first exercise, that is 3.1. So we start our exercise with first question, that is find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. So students, you learn that angle is measured in degree. Now in this exercise we also learn that how we change angle degree to radian. Now this is our first question, that angle is 25 degree, and we know that 1 degree is pi by 180 radian. So when we change 25 degree into radian, that is 25 means 25 into pi by 180 radian. The unit we use radian is rad, rad. So here when we cut 25 5 ja 5 5 to 25 and 180, we got 36, and the answer is 5 pi by 36 radian, and this is the answer of first question. Now we take another example, that is minus 47 degree and 30, and this bar means minute, and we have 47 degree 30 minute, and this is change when change into the actual angle, we got that 47 degree and 30 by 60, because when the minute sign is changed into 60, when we change degree, because 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. Okay, so we change 30 minute, that means we this is our mixed fraction, so 47 degree and 1 by 2, this is the degree, all value in degree, and when we change into improper fraction, the value is minus 95 degree upon 2. So now comes our process, that 1 degree is pi by 180 radian, and 95 by 2 is 95 by 2 into pi by 180, and when we solve the equation, we got 9 by 72 radian, and this is the answer of this question. And in this question we have two also part which you practice, and if you having a doubt, then said in the comment, I will make another video for these doubts. Okay students, now we come our second question, that is, so students, in first question we discuss how degree change into radian, and in second question we discuss about how radian change into degree. So now let an example there, find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. Okay, and we put pi value is 22 by 7 as we know. So our first question is 11 by 16, and now we know 1 radian is 180 upon में pi degree. So we having 11 by 16 radian. So when we change into degree, that 11 by 16 multiply by 180 upon the pi into degree, and put the value of pi is 22 by 7, and whole equation is like that. So now cut the values, 16 is cut by 4 and 180 is also cut by 4, so we got an 11 by 11, and 11 to the 22. After solving this equation, we got 315 upon 8 degree. So this is a fraction. Now we divide, and we got 39 degree and 3 by 8. 39 degree and 3 by 8, but this answer is incomplete, so we change into minute, and we you can see that we know 1 degree is 60 minute, so 3 by 8 degrees multiply by 60 and change into minute, the single bar means minute. Now we also cut that 4 to the 8 and 15 4 just 60, and we multiply 3 into 15, we got 45 by 2 minute, and when 45 divided by 2, the value is 22 minute, and 1 by 2, and that means half minute. So now we change minute into second, and we all know that 1 minute is 60 second. 2 bar means 60. 2 bar means second. So now 1 by 2 into 60, and when we cut, the value is 30 second, and the final answer is 39 degree 22 minute and 30 second. So this is the first question, and the same you have a same question is -4 degree, the second part. Solve it and practice. You also can practice many more questions like that from radian to degree. Now we discuss the third question of this question. This is our third part, that is pi 5 pi by 3. So we all know 1 radian is 180 upon pi degree. So 5 by pi by 3 radian is 5 pi by 3 into 180 upon a pi. From pi se pi is cut and 3 se cut is 60, and 5 multiplied by 60 we got 300 degree, and this is the answer. And same is question, part number 4. When you solve, the answer is 270 degree. Now comes on third question of this exercise, that a wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? So question is कि when a wheel is moved 1 minute, when a wheel is rotate 1 minute, it makes 360 revolutions. Revolution means कि when circular path. And you also know that कि when a wheel such that this is the starting point, and when the wheel is start to move and complete 1 revolution, it makes 360, because it makes a circle and the complete angle is, you all of know that 360 degree. So now, and 360 means 2 pi. So we have two things. First is कि the time is in second. We have to find the answer is for 1 second कि how many radians, यानी कि that means कि in 1 second how many degree radian angle it formed when 1 minute, when the wheel revolute in 1 minute 360 revolutions. So now we start solving. In 1 minute wheel completes revolution 360, and we all know 1 minute means in 60 seconds wheel completes revolution is 360. So first we find for 1 second, because we have to calculate answer for 1 second. So in 1 second wheel completes revolution 360 upon 60, and the answer is 6 revolution. So now we having 6 revolution in 1 second. Now we have to find the angle in radian. So in beginning I told you that कि when a wheel complete 1 revolution, it makes 360 degree angle, and 360 means 2 pi radian. So in 1 revolution turn about 2 pi radian. So in 6 revolution turn about 2 pi into 6, 12 radian, and this is the answer of this question. Now comes on question number 4. Find the degree measure of the angle. We have to find angle in degree. Subtended at the center of a circle of radius. This is the radius of circle 100 centimeter, and by an arc length is 22 centimeter. Arc length means a small part of circumference of circle known as arc length. So arc length L is 22 centimeter and radius of circle is 100 centimeter. Now angle subtended at center by arc, that is theta, is always arc length divided by radius. So theta is pi 22 by 100, because arc length is 22 and radius is 100. 22 by 100 radians, and theta is 22 by 100 into, when radian change into degree we multiply 180 by pi degree, and when degree change into radian we multiply pi by 180. No confusion, 1 degree is 180 pi by 180 radian, and 1 radian is 180 by pi degree. Okay, so now we put the value 22 by 100 into 180, and value of pi 22 into 7. 22 is 22 cut, and 1 0 से 1 0 cut, 2 5 are 10, 2 9 are 18. When we multiply 9 7 are 63 by 5 degree. So this value in fraction we change in standard. So when we divide 12 5 are 60, so 12 degree, and 3 by 5 degree, so change into minute, so multiply by 60, and we cut by 5 is 12, and 12 3 is 36. So angle is 12 degree 36 minute. Okay, now comes on question number 5. So now question number 5 is, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Okay, that means you study in 10th class that we having two arc, minor or major, and you also calculate the area of both type of segment made by these arcs. So we having minor arc length. So I prepared a diagram for this, and this is our diagram. Because diameter is 40, so radius is 20 centimeter, and this is AB is chord 20 centimeter also, and we have to find the length of this minor arc from A to B, this part. Okay, so now diameter of circle is 40 centimeter, so radius of circle is 20 centimeter, length of chord is 20 centimeter. So you can see that in this triangle AOB, all three sides are equal. Because three sides are equal, so which type of triangle is it? Is an, yes, equilateral triangle. So since in triangle AOB, OA equal to OB equal to AB, so 20 centimeter, so it is an equilateral triangle. And you all of very well know that in equilateral triangle the angle is 60 degree, because each angle is 60 degree, and 60 degree means पाई बाय 3 रेडियन. ये कैसे आया, या चेंज कर सकते हो, 60 डिग्री मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए पाई बाय 180 से, एंड यू गेट पाई बाय 3 रेडियन. सो नाउ यू हैविंग एंगल एंड रेडियस. सो वी नो दैट लेंथ ऑफ माइनर आर्क इज रेडियस इनटू में एंगल, सो 20 इंटू में पाई बाय 3, एंड द आंसर इज 20 पाई बाय 3 रेडियन. सो आई होप आप सभी को आज का टॉपिक एक्सरसाइज समझ में आई होगी. मैंने एक्सरसाइज 5 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 एंड 7 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एंड 5 की तरह ही है. सो प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, अपने आप को सेफ रखिए, चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. आपका एक लाइक हमें और भी मोटिवेट करेगा, आपके लिए और अच्छी वीडियो बनाएंगे. और नेक्स्ट टाइम से इस हर चैप्टर वीडियो के अंदर एक आपके लिए वर्कशीट होगी जिससे आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है, जो आपको हेल्प करेगी मैथ में और अच्छे से ग्रो करने के लिए. थैंक यू.